Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the webcam keeps turning off in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, other websites and channels are suggesting that you can update Windows and all, but here's the thing: it could also be a security issue. It may also be possible that someone is trying to hack your computer. So in this case, our first approach will be to run Windows security. Search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and go to Windows security. Go to virus and threat protection. Click on scan option, select full scan, scroll down, and then you can click on scan now. The next solution is to restart your computer. And how would you do that? Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. The third solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and go to system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, then click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution is to update Windows. And how would you do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on check for updates, and that's how you can update it. And the last one is to update the camera drivers. So to update the camera drivers, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for camera drivers, right click on it and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.